Okay, well here we are again at Sturmhaubitze, but this time it's a Sturmhaubitze. So it's the same vehicle as we have over there. It's also a December 1944 production vehicle from Alcat, and they had a conversion rate of a certain number of vehicles to the 105mm gun. This provided the Sturmgeschütz unit with high explosive capability for knocking out fixed bunkers and so forth. And in this case there's some differences that are visible. The hull is exactly the same as we saw before, but this one has the shorter 105 gun. It has a gun mantlet that is the traditional original type of gun mantlet for all Sturmgeschütz, this welded 50mm gun mantlet, and this one has its remains of its Rundenfeuer machine gun. That's the 360-degree traverse machine gun. You could mount that on top, a couple of canister loaded belts, and that was able to defend the vehicle. It also has the Nahverteidigungswaffe for throwing the grenades, but otherwise the features are the same. We have the same steel road wheels, or return roller, sorry, here, the Panzer III type suspension. So it's a very clever adaptation of Panzer III, where there was big capability of manufacturing. And these vehicles were produced in huge numbers relative to other vehicles. So about 10,000 Sturmgeschütz were built compared to maybe coming towards 3,000 Panthers. And therefore there was lots of them, and because a proportion of them were commanded by artillery people, they had very clever tactics for deploying these. And the type of vehicle, it's low profile and very, very good, and the kill ratio for Sturmgeschütz units was way higher than any normal tank unit, because they didn't go dashing in, they defended a position. So other than that, on the externals, I suppose the things I could point to is people who maybe are interested in the fact that German vehicles had the Zimmerit anti-magnetic mine paste, but they knocked off the Zimmerit mine paste in middle to late 44 because of rumours that the Zimmerit was catching fire. And they also had discovered that there wasn't really that much problem with that magnetic mines. So these vehicles by December 44 are being produced without the Zimmerit on them. This one, the Schürzen, should be there, but it's now missing. This vehicle was obviously damaged before it was captured. If we move around, we have one chance to see here the driver's visor is closed. So he's protected from what's going on, but he now can't see because there's no method for viewing out of this. So this was only done in emergencies when the vehicle was under extreme attack. If we look at the back, we can see, maybe if we stand out here, we can see a little bit further back. Well, this museum exhibit has been repainted, so our red cross has gone, but the whole rear end is a normal Panzer III type of configuration with a baggage arrangement for carrying loose stuff. Here's the mounting for the convoy light, bits of it even here. This is the tubular convoy light, and the way that works is that depending on how many segments of the tube are lit, you can judge the distance you are behind. So at night time, if the driver of the following vehicle can see 4 little lights, he knows that he's too close. If he can see 2 little lights where the lights merge together, he knows he's in the right place. And if he sees 1, he better hit the brakes because he might run into the vehicle in front. That's about all we can say about this vehicle, because all the other features are similar to the one over there. This is from the same unit, and they were both captured at the same time.